Working in business operations or facility management, you know that reducing your company's carbon footprint can significantly reduce its energy costs. The irony is, cost may be the very factor that inhibits some businesses from pursuing innovative energy savings options. I'm Joe Godding, Chief Operating Officer at Dalkia Aegis EDF Group. Here at Dalkia Aegis, we're committed to making a sustainable, green energy solution possible for all by taking concerns over the upfront costs out of the equation. The Dalkia Aegis Shared Savings Program offers an opportunity to move forward with energy reduction projects, such as a combined heat and power system without any capital investment or operating expenses. At no cost to your facility, Dalkia Aegis designs, installs, owns, maintains, fuels, and operates a modular cogeneration system while you take advantage of its many benefits. You'll also have the option to purchase the CHP system at a depreciated value. We've seen the incredible difference CHP has made for facilities of every kind, and the Dalkia Shared Savings Program can help make it happen for yours. Contact us to learn more and begin your free, no-obligation savings analysis. Let's get your sustainable future started today.